Hello dear aspirants, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. Myself Dr. Manoj, I am pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So as everybody know, the pandemic situation of COVID-19 is going on, and that will affect your preparation, as many lecture classes have suspended their offline series. Even I have also suspended my offline series, but our online lecture series is going on. And in midst of such crisis, I want to help my all students out there, and we are providing the complimentary lecture series for 2 weeks, in which I will try to cover as many subjects as I can. To join that complimentary series, you can WhatsApp me, you can mail me, you can go to my website and register. The information is there in the description box. In this lecture series, I will try to cover as many things as possible, and it is for you all my dear students. You can come and join, and please stay safe, as we know the COVID-19 is going like, and many health situation is there. I uploaded the last video on the COVID-19 regarding the myths prevailing surrounding it. So stay from those myths only, protect yourself and your family, and please don't affect your NEET MDS or AIIMS MDS preparation. So friend, please, I welcome you all. Come and join the online lecture series. It is purely complimentary. To join, just you have to message me, or you can WhatsApp, or you can mail me, or you can go to my website and register it. So till then, dear friends, take care, and remember one thing in life. Sometimes we are confused कि आगे जाना है कि पीछे जाना है, but if you are confused like that, stay at that place only. Automatically the nature, the God will guide you where you have to go. So take care all dear friends, stay safe, take care of your family and your dear ones. Till then, all the best and love you.